Hello everyone. So before we get started, I hope that 2022 will be much better than the previous ones. Um, I wish you all the best, and that's it. Okay, this is my final project of the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is a blogs app. You can create, edit, and delete blogs. It supports Markdown language. So in this video, we will go through all the CRUD operations. So the first operation is the create. So we can create a blog by clicking this button. So the title will be third blog, for example. Testing my app. So and here goes the body of the blog. So this support markdown language. So this hash is equivalent of h1. So this is title. I don't know. You can insert images. Let's grab an image of a cat, for example. Let's grab this. Okay. I just oh my goodness. This is the URL of the image, and this where the alt lives, cat image, for example. And you can preview this before you submit. So this will be our blog. So let's hit submit, and our third blog created successfully. Let's read more, and this is the blog. So the second one is the edit. So we can edit this. Let's say edited, for example, and hit submit. And the edit is done. So the next one is the delete. We can delete this by clicking this button, delete, and okay. So our blog is deleted. We can refresh. It's deleted. So this is the other blogs. That's it. So the app is fully responsive. As you can see, it's fully responsive. So this is all the video. I hope you like it, and see you soon.